Should I buy or sell AMTD Digital? The report for AMTD Digital was first published on our website Wednesday, January 11, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 9, 2023, our system ranks AMTD Digital as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -6.337. In this period the stock has had a loss of -11.29%. This is an average return of -3.76% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for AMTD Digital, our last headline reads, high volatility in AMTD Digital Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $13.20. The AMTD Digital Incorporated stock price fell by -2% on the last day, Wednesday, January 11, 2023, from $13.47 to $13.20. It has now fallen 5 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 18.94% from a day low at $12.99 to a day high of $15.45. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days but is still up by 8.29% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -2 million shares and in total, 6 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $79.92 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $2,555.30, and the lowest price was $9.31. Right now the price is 99.48%, or $2,542.10, below 52-week high at $2,555.30, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -33.85% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -57.88% and 45.29%. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for AMTD Digital. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The AMTD Digital Incorporated stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $16.33 and $15.70. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 5, 2023, and so far it has fallen -55.93%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 109 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 100 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for AMTD Digital. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.35 and $10.25. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, AMTD Digital Inc. finds support just below today's level at $10.35. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.25 and $10. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.46 between high and low, or 18.94%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 68.67%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for AMTD Digital. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. AMTD Digital currently has a price-earning ratio of 143.38. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, AMTD Digital meets first resistance at $13.47. If you do not hold AMTD Digital shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, AMTD Digital finds first level of support at $10.35, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is AMTD Digital stock a buy? AMTD Digital Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 12th, we expect AMTD Digital to open up $0.680 and start trading at $13.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to